Hello. Under park, I think.
Here's your boarding pass, right behind this.
Oh, thank you. Whoa. Oh, so we're going to space in a space elevator. That's cool. Huh?
Let's keep on going all the way around.
Gravity generator in 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
You're riding aboard the Mark V Stellarator, the latest in space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the eastern seaboard. Enjoy the ride. I'll be back in a bit with the roads and exit through the open air lock. A Space 220 agent will be waiting for you.
SB1 cleared for
Gravity generator active.
airlock activated. Docking complete.
Thank you. Whoa. Oh, look. Look at that. Wow.
We would be actually flying if we were in real.
No.
Daddy.
This is a calamari.
Daddy.
Yeah,
It's up.
pretty good.
There's just a giant TV. No,
Super crispy.
real
Can I taste this?
Yeah.
What is this?
Cauliflower.
It's cauliflower. Oh, it's spicy.
Buffalo.
Oh, buffalo.
But
Fried cauliflower and buffalo sauce.
we have the color. What is it? Look.
All right, here's our steak and frites.
I hope it comes with a full box.
I'm sure it doesn't. All right, it's regular fries. Oh, you have the big fries.
Oh, is that?
Fries are good. No, do you want me to put it? Wow. With chimichurri sauce.
How's everything looking?
Oh, very good, thank you.
Anything at all on my brain right now?
You need anything? Oh, we're good.
Enjoy. My friends go to a happy place to go to their next course. Let me know.
All right, thank you. Okay, steak and frites with chimichurri sauce.
Oh, mommy. It won't fly away. You know why? Because the Marco.
Not bad.
The red Marco, it didn't like go
Pretty well
away,
seasoned.
right? The
Not bad.
remote bad.
Want to buy it?
Here.
I don't think I can finish this. No, but I don't think I can.
Pretty good, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is really good.
Yeah. Maybe a burger.
I'm craving a burger.
Really?
You don't want to buy it? Go ahead. The sauce is good.
I hope the ice cream is space smooth, right? I hope it's space ice cream. Space ice cream sandwich?
They only give the good sweet. The sweet pickle.
Is that broccoli? Mom, is that broccoli?
Yep.
That looks like space broccoli. Daddy, that's space broccoli.
Yep. There you go.
Oh, that's what space broccoli looks like.
Yep. All right, so the ice cream is like pure sugar.
Connor.
Oh my god, this is the sweetest ice cream I've ever tasted. It's like a all it's pure sugar.
Even the kids don't like it.
That's so crazy. Even the kids aren't eating the ice cream. All right,
Looks like a leaf.
try this.
Mommy, is this a leaf?
It's good.
Is this a leaf?
I don't like the texture though.
Oh, what is this? Leaf?
Oh,
Tree branch.
well, this is good. What is it called?
The flavors are good, but I don't like the branch.
What's it called? What's it called?
Raspberry chocolate cake.
The raspberry chocolate cake with ganache, just the way I like it.
Mike, what do you think?
Oh, it's very good.
I'm not normally a chocolate guy. I love that combination.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have an annual pass or Disney vacation?
Look, the space elevator's coming.
What's up, danger?
It's almost here.
What's up, danger?